Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Easy English. Today, we're diving into real, everyday conversations between parents and teens, from the morning rush, to after-school hangouts, all the way to those late-night talks. If you've ever had awkward or funny moments like these at home, you're definitely not alone. Stick around, hit that like button, and subscribe for more relatable family content. Let's get into it. Morning conversation.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Not bad, but I slept in a little.
Come on, don't keep sleeping late. Have breakfast or you'll be late for school.
Okay, but I'm just having some coffee.
Remember, you need to eat something to stay strong.
Yeah, I'll eat a little.
After-school talk.
How was school today?
Tiring, lots of homework. But we had basketball practice too.
That's good. Stay healthy while staying active.
I really want to join the tournament next week.
Keep training hard, we'll support you.
Thanks, Mom.
Nighttime before bed.
Ready for bed? You have an early day tomorrow.
Yeah, I just finished my homework.
Good, don't forget to get enough rest.
Don't worry, I want to sleep early too.
Alright, good night.
Good night, Mom.